How's it going, guys? Electron Man. Well, the other night, me and a deer met, and I think the deer got the worst of it, but my little old 2002 Blazer here didn't fare real well either. It completely blew the headlight out and the grill completely out. I already ordered in fact, that's the new headlight and the new grill. Kind of interesting, the old grill was painted to the color of the vehicle, but for an extra $40 I found an all chrome grill, which I think is actually going to look better on it, and I don't have to worry about painting it. So I went with that. I've already installed the turn signal driving lights down at the bottom. Those were extra. Actually, I ordered the grill one place, and then the headlight set, which came with the bottom ones and the headlights at another place. And then fortunately, I was able to find on the ground the Chevy limb, because the grill does not come with that. And that silly guy right there is like $70. But anyway, I thought I'd do a little old short video on me doing a repair on this. Fortunately, I've looked it over pretty good. I don't think it got any body damage, thank God. These old Blazers, yeah, that's a steel bumper. Yeah, if it had been a plastic front car, I wouldn't be even trying to fix this myself, but I got like a $500 deductible, and I've got like 300 in parts now. So with not having to deal with the insurance company, it makes more sense for me just to fix it myself, since it was all just pretty much cosmetic stuff. But anyway, I kind of bring you along here on me putting this grill together. A couple things. I ordered the grill. It did not come with these little clips, and a lot of them were lost at the site because, you know, the grill blew out. But I had to order these they call them radiator grill clips. They're retainers for the grill. That's how it snaps on. So I got a pack of 25 of these over to Riley's. There's the part number there if you need to know that. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get these. They actually clip on. Just flip this grill like this. That's bad, but they clip in all these spots here. You can see here, here, two of them go here, one goes here, one goes here, 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 and I just thought I might as well go ahead and put new ones in there anyway. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop this video and get all those clips in there, and then we'll move forward with it. I also need to place a couple light bulbs on this side that got blown, but those were inexpensive as well. So anyway, let me get those clips in, and I'll be back. Wow, guys, these clips here have turned into an absolute nightmare. I have finally figured out a way to get them on. I was afraid I was going to break the plastic. They don't just slide on like you'd hope. It's got little metal barbs on it right here, and it needs to be spread open. Well, I did figure out, which I don't know if they spell special tool. I couldn't find anything on Amazon, on YouTube, nowhere how to install these silly things. But I mean, I came up with my own solution, which basically, let me see if I can set this camera somewhere. Basically, what you want to do is you want to take, I found me just a pair of normal pliers here. I can grab a hold of the horn here, get a hold of it here, and get in one of those little notches here. Hold on, let me get it hooked up, set up for it. What you want to do is you want to get it in your pliers like this so that you can squeeze down, and when you squeeze down, it pulls out and relieves that tension a little bit. And then, I don't know if I can, basically, you want to take it, hook it on there, line up where it goes, and squeeze it and slide it on. I can't do that with two hands, so I got it set up, but now I'll just go ahead and squeeze it on. Just like that, now I got it snapped in there. But guys, I'll tell you what, this pair of pliers was a saving grace on those little clips. So anyway, as you can see, I've got all the clips installed now. So now the next thing I need to do is basically put it up against the vehicle. It actually, the clips plug into these little spots here. So the key is just to get it lined up and all of them. Make sure there's not any broken off ones or anything, which I've already done. Now I should just be able to slide it on there and snap it in. I believe I have all the clips in the right spots. So let me set this camera off the side somewhere here. Lights that go down here at the bottom, and this yellow one here, which they just twist and lock. So in. Around the other side, and just do the exact same thing. And now it's just a matter of trying to line it all up. goes. I gotta get a little rough with it. Being plastic, I don't want to get too rough with it. Make sure you get all the pins to line up here. Yeah. I got one there that I want to line up. Oh, I'm so close. It's not lining up down there. Leather headlight. Didn't hear good. That's the double. That's the most important one. Yeah, this side's in. This side's not. Of course, it's going to bite me, so. By the way, it's got these little slides here. Really cool how they did the headlights here. Two of them on the back of the headlight here. For that, and then. What's giving me a problem here? And there she is. Piece of cake, right? Well, it's in good too. It's not going anywhere. We'll just reinstall the headlight. I might have to have it pointing the right direction. Yeah, you don't need to see me monkey around and try to get this thing back up for an hour, but anyway, you get the idea. Let me go ahead and fiddle with this. I can't believe I just took it off. Now it's giving me a hard time going back home. Anyway. Okay, I finally got that squirrely one in over there, and it just had to finagle with it a little bit, but anyway, we got it. But if you look at this, you see these two little, see if I can, see these two little tabs here and here? They're going to hook in here and here. And then you have these two little square pegs up top here. And they're going to go in to that hole and that hole. And then you have this little slide clip that hooks around the back side there that slides over that post. That's right there. Hopefully that helps you there. Let me see if I can. Shouldn't be too hard to get in there. All that other side sure did want to not play with me. I got it already, and now I just slide the two clips on the. I already got it in there, and just slide the two clips on the back side, and that's one new front grille. A lot cheaper than having it done, I guarantee you that. I'll show you a final picture too. It looks better with chrome, by the way. There you go, guys. Nice new front chrome bumper or front chrome grille. Makes it turned out nice. Heck of a lot better than going to the insurance company. I bet it'd have been $2,000 if you went to a body shop. Easy. Hardest part was those clips. That and getting the headlights back in was a little bit of a finagling, but nothing. A little bit of take your patience and you'll get them in there. Anyway, here's what she looks like. I got to get a new deflector too. Cracked the top of that, I just noticed too, but still, I think it looks better than it did before. I like the chrome better than I do the painted. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. This is Electron.